Good morning, my dear students. Class 3rd. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh, and today I am going to teach you English. So students, everyone just take out your textbook, page number 26, chapter number 12. Dr. Dolittle learns animal language. So student, the whole story is about animal language. There are 3 characters in this lesson. The very first one is Dr. Dolittle. Second one is Polynesia. Now students, Polynesia is the name of the parrot. And the third one is dog. And the dog name is Jip. So students, there are 3 characters in this lesson. So students, let's see what conversation is done between the Dr. Dolittle and Polynesia. So students, first I am going to read till the arrow, as you can see in the pic. Till the arrow I am going to read, and then afterward I will explain you line wise. Okay students? So now listen, Doctor, said Polynesia, and I will tell you something. Did you know that animals can talk? I knew that parrots can talk, said the doctor. Oh, we parrot can talk in 2 languages, people's language and birds' language, said Polynesia proudly. If I say, Polly wants a biscuit, you understand me. But hear this, Kaka O E Fifi. So students, I read till the 8th line, and afterward I will explain you in a line wise so that you can understand the lesson very well. Dr. Dolittle learn animals language. So here the topic is Dr. Dolittle learns animal language. So here one doctor is there. The doctor name is Dolittle. So we called as Dr. Dolittle. Now Dr. Dolittle is going to learn animals language. Students, that everyone know what is the meaning of language. As we can talk in English, Hindi, Marathi. Yes, this all are language. So here Dr. Dolittle, we are going to learn animals language in this chapter. So let's see. Now come to the very first line. Now listen, doctor, said Polynesia, and I will tell you something. Now student, here Polynesia is a parrot. The name of the parrot is Polynesia, right? So the Polynesia is saying to the doctor that just listen, I want to tell you something. Means यहाँ पर पॉलिनेशिया एक पैरोट का नाम है और वो पैरोट डॉक्टर से कह रहा है कि सुनिए, मुझे आपसे कुछ कहना है. Did you know that animals can talk? So here the Polynesia is saying to the doctor that do you know that animals can talk? Polynesia ने डॉक्टर से कहा, क्या आप जानते हो एनिमल्स भी बात करते हैं? I knew that parrots can talk, said the doctor. So here the doctor is saying that yes, I know that parrot can talk. तो यहाँ पर डॉक्टर ने पैरोट से कहा कि हाँ, मैं जानता हूँ कि पैरोट बात कर सकते हैं. Oh, we parrot can talk in 2 languages. people's language and birds' language, said Polynesia proudly. So here the Polynesia is saying so proudly that we know two kind of language. One is people's language and the other is birds' language. तो यहाँ पर पॉलिनेशिया ने डॉक्टर से कहा कि हम पैरोट दो लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं, एक है पीपल लैंग्वेज और दूसरा है बर्ड्स लैंग्वेज। बहुत ही प्राउडली से पॉलिनेशिया ने कहा। If I say Polly wants a biscuit, you understand me, but hear this, Kaka o e Fifi. Now here the Polynesia is saying to the doctor that if I say Polly wants a biscuit, so you can understand what I am saying, that Polly wants biscuit, right? But if I say like this way, Ka o e Fifi, पॉलिनेशिया ने डॉक्टर से कहा कि अगर मैं कहूँ पॉली वॉन्ट्स अ बिस्किट तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि पॉली को बिस्किट चाहिए। पर डॉक्टर डूलिटिल ये सुनिए, काका ओ ई फीफी। सो नाउ स्टूडेंट द नेक्स्ट लाइन, गुड ग्रेशियस क्राइड द डॉक्टर। What does that mean? That means, is the porridge hot yet? In birds' language. My, you don't say so, said the doctor. You never talked that way to me before. So student, now I am going to explain these three lines to you. Good gracious, carried the doctor. What does that mean? So here the doctor is saying to Polynesia that what does that mean, which we have said now, Kaka o e Fifi. What does that mean? Like that the doctor is asking to Polynesia. That mean, is the porridge hot yet? In birds language. जैसे कि पोलिनेशिया ने कहा डॉक्टर डूलिटिल से, क्या अभी तक पोरेज हॉट है? स्टूडेंट्स, पोरेज मीन्स अ डिश consisting of oatmeal or cereal boiled in water or milk. My, you don't say so means here my, you don't say so means before you had not said like this way, you had not used these types of word. Like that the doctor is saying to Polynesia. Said the doctor, you never talked that way to me before. So here the doctor is saying to Polynesia that you had not talked to me like this way before yet. Like that the doctor is saying to Polynesia. जैसे कि डॉक्टर ने पॉलिनेशिया से कहा कि इससे पहले तुमने ऐसा मुझसे कभी बात नहीं किया था, ये लैंग्वेज में कभी भी बात नहीं किया था. So now student, the next paragraph, the very first line. What would have been the good? Said Polynesia, dusting some biscuits, crumbs off her left wings. You wouldn't have understood me if I had. What would have been the good? Said Polynesia, dusting some biscuit crumbs off her left wings. So here Polynesia is saying to Dr. Dolittle that what would be the good? What would have been the good? Means here if I spoke bird's language with you, you can't understand anything. So what would have been the good? Like that Polynesia said, dusting some biscuit crumbs from her left wings. जैसे कि पैरोट पॉलिनेशिया के लेफ्ट विंग्स में बिस्किट क्रम्स था, मीन्स बिस्किट का बुकी था। तो जस्ट उसने डस्ट किया और कहा डॉक्टर डूलिटिल से कि अगर मैं आपसे बर्ड लैंग्वेज में बात करूंगा तो आपको क्या समझ में आएगा? लाइक दैट द पोलिनेशिया सेड टू द डॉक्टर डूलिटिल. Now student, the second paragraph. Tell me some more, said the doctor, all excited, and he rushed over to the dresser drawer and came back with a notebook and a pencil. Now, don't go too fast, and I will write it down. The interesting, very interesting. Tell me some more, said the doctor, all excited, and he rushed over to the dresser drawer and came back with a notebook and a pencil. So here the doctor was very excited to hear more language, birds' language from Polynesia. So the doctor rushed over to the dresser drawer, means to the cupboard side, and came back with a notebook and a pencil to write down the bird's language. For that reason, the doctor has brought one notebook and a pencil. So, dresser means a cupboard with shelves, drawers, etc. As I said, the doctor went to the bureau side and then from the drawer he brought one notebook and a pencil. Now, don't go too fast and I will write it down. So here the Dr. Dolittle is saying to the Polynesia that don't say very fast. You should say slowly so that I can write down in my notebook. जैसे कि डॉक्टर ने पॉलिनेशिया से कहा कि बहुत फास्ट मत कहना बर्ड्स लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि मुझे बुक में रोट डाउन करना है. रोट डाउन मीन्स लिखना है. So now student, page number 27, the starting two lines. This is interesting, very interesting, something quite new. Give me birds ABCD first. Slowly now. This is interesting, very interesting, something quite new. So here the Dr. Dolittle is saying to Polynesia that yes, this is interesting and something quite new. Means today I am going to learn something new and it is very interesting. Like that Dr. Dolittle is saying to the Polynesia. जैसे कि डॉक्टर डूलिटिल पॉलिनेशिया से कह रहे थे कि हाँ इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत अच्छा है, इंटरेस्टिंग है बर्ड्स लैंग्वेज और कुछ मुझे न्यू सीखने मिल रहा है. Give me the birds ABCD first, slowly now. So here Dr. Dolittle is saying to the Polynesia that first of all you give me the basic concept, means the basic alphabets, like students how we had studied in the pre-primary section alphabet ABCD, right? Like that same way first give me the birds ABCD so that I can write down in my notebook and say it very slowly. जैसे कि डॉक्टर डूलिटिल ने पॉलिनेशिया से कहा कि मुझे फर्स्ट बर्ड्स लैंग्वेज का ABCD दो, मीन्स बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट दो, बेसिक अल्फ़ाबेट्स दो जो मैं नोटबुक में लिख सकूं और वो भी तुम बहुत स्लोली कहना. ऐसे डॉक्टर डूलिटिल ने पॉलिनेशिया से कहा. So now student, the second paragraph. So that was the way the doctor came to know that animal had a language of their own and could talk to one another. And all that afternoon, while it was raining, Polynesia sat on the kitchen table giving him Bert's word to put down in the notebook. So that was the way the doctor came to know that animals had a language of their own and could talk to one another. So here Dr. Dolittle understood that animals also had a separate language which they spoke to each other. जैसे कि डॉक्टर डूलिटिल को पता चला कि एनिमल्स के भी डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज होते हैं जो वो एक दूसरे के साथ बात करते हैं. And all that afternoon, while it was raining, Polynesia sat on a kitchen table, giving him birds' words to put down in the notebook. So here, the time was afternoon. While it was raining, Polynesia was set on a kitchen table and giving a alphabet ABCD of birds' language to write down in the notebook. So, Dr. Dolittle was writing in the notebook the animals' language, means the birds' language. जैसे कि दोपहर का समय था, बाहर बारिश हो रही थी और पोलिनेशिया किचन के टेबल पर बैठी थी और वो बर्ड्स लैंग्वेज के वर्ड्स लिखने के लिए कह रही थी डॉक्टर डूलिटिल को. तो डॉक्टर डूलिटिल वर्ड्स लिख रहे थे नोटबुक में. सो स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट द थर्ड पैराग्राफ. At tea time, when the dog Jip came in, the parrot said to the doctor, "See, he is talking to you. Looks to me as thought he were scratching his ears." At tea time, when the dog Jip came in, the parrot said to the doctor, "See, he is talking to you." Now here the time is of tea time, right? When the dog entered, the dog name is Jip. When the dog came inside the kitchen, Polynesia parrot said to the doctor that, "See, he is talking to you," means the Jip, the dog is talking to us. Like that, Polynesia parrot saying to the doctor. जैसे कि टी टाइम हो गया था, मीन्स चाय पीने का टाइम हो गया था और डॉग जिसका नाम जीप था वो किचन में आया. पैरोट पोलिनेशिया ने डॉक्टर से कहा कि देखो वो हमसे बात कर रहा है. Looks to me as though he were scratching his ears, said the doctor. So here the doctor is saying to Polynesia that no, he is just scratching his ear. जैसे कि डॉक्टर ने पोलिनेशिया से कहा नहीं, मुझे तो दिख रहा है कि वो अपने कान को जस्ट स्क्रैचिंग कर रहा है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. सो स्टूडेंट द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. बट एनिमल्स डोंट ऑलवेज स्पीक विद देयर माउथ्स, said the parrot in a high voice, raising her eyebrows. They talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tails, with everything. Sometimes they don't want to make a noise. Do you see now the way he switching up one side of his nose? But animals don't always speak with their mouths, said the parrot in a high voice, raising her eyebrows. So here Polynesia is saying with the high voice by raising her eyebrows. Polynesia is saying to the Dr. Dolittle that animals don't always speak with their mouths. So here Polynesia डॉक्टर से कह रही है हाई वॉइस मीन्स जोर से, राइजिंग हर एब्रोस मीन्स अपना एब्रो उठाकर जोर से वो कह रही है. बट एनिमल्स डोंट ऑलवेज स्पीक विद देयर माउथ्स, हमेशा एनिमल्स माउथ से ही बात नहीं करते. ऐसे जस्ट पैरोट कह रही है डॉक्टर से. They talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tails, with everything. So here the Polynesia is saying that sometimes the animals speaks with their ears, feet or tails, with everything sometimes. For example, students, for example, we human beings also use our eyes for conversation, right? So here the animals use their ears, feet and tails with other things also. Sometimes they use these all things for the talking or for conversation. Sometimes they don't want to make a noise. So students, as I told, so if we don't want to make any noise, we use our eyes also. So the same way animals use their tails, ears, feet. So students, everyone understood? Do you see now the way he is switching up one side of his nose? So here Polynesia is saying to the doctor that, do you see now the way he is switching up one side of his nose? जैसे कि पोलिनेशिया डॉक्टर से कह रही है कि आपने देखा कैसे वो डॉगी ने जस्ट एक साइड उसका नोज ऊपर स्विचिंग किया. So students, switching up means a slight jerk. So now student, the next paragraph. What does that mean? Asked the doctor. That means, can't you see that it has stopped raining? Polynesia answered. He is asking you a question. Dogs nearly always use their nose for asking questions. What does that mean? Asked the doctor. So here the doctor is asking a questions to Polynesia that, what does that mean? I can't understand what you are saying. That means, can't you see that it has stopped raining? Polynesia answered. He is asking you a question. So here the Polynesia said to the doctor that, can't you see that the rains has stopped now? And the dog Jeep is asking a questions to you. Like that Polynesia said to the doctor. Dogs nearly always use their nose for asking question. So here Polynesia said to the doctor that dogs nearly always use their nose for asking question. जैसे कि पोलिनेशिया ने डॉक्टर से कहा, मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए डॉग्स उनका खुद का नोज वो यूज़ करते हैं. So now student, the last paragraph. After a while, with the parrot's help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals so well that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. Then he gave up being a people's doctor altogether. After a while, with parrot's help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals so well. So here, with the help of the Polynesia, the parrot, doctor understand the animals' language very well, that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. So, when the doctor understand the animals' language very well, so after some times, he himself treat all the animals and he understand what the animals are saying to him. Then he gave up being a people's doctors altogether. Means, as you know, the doctor treat to the human beings, right? So Dr. Dolittle also treat human beings, but at last when he understand the bird's language, means the animal's language, he leave been a people's doctor altogether, and then he become an animal's doctor at last. So student, everyone understood the whole lesson? Yes? Now the explanation is done. Students, now I am going to give you the homework. So everyone just open your combined book number 2. In that, chapter number 12, Dr. Dolittle learns animal language, unit 2. The very first question, learn and write the words given 3 times. So here there are new words are there that you have to write 3 times. So students, the homework is of your combined book number 2. The new words you have to write 3 times in your combined book. So everyone understood the homework part and the explanation? Okay. Students, if you have any doubt regarding the explanation or about the homework, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.